entire side of the light fixture on both sides. Look how wobbly this thing is. I don't know, I'm not gonna mess with it right now, but you could take the bulbs out of this, and the screws are probably loose.
Yeah.
Did you figure it out?
No, not yet.
Here, look, maybe look at this one here, Christian. This one's just got clips.
Yeah,
right?
that
one clip. And see on this, all I did was kind of bend it.
Okay.
And there's just 2 clips on the sides of that one. Let me try to do that one,
right.
okay? And so anyways, if you have a light fixture like this, I'm gonna turn the light off, I think. See, no, well, I think you can still see that. If you got a light fixture like this, and if it's wobbly, you can take the bulbs out. No, I'm gonna have to turn the light on again. Okay, you can take the bulbs out, and then you take this middle cover off. See, it's got little nibs on it. See that little nib right there? There's another one over there. See them? Then you kind of squeeze this with your fingers after you get these bulbs out, and you turn the light fixture off first. You squeeze them on one side, and then you pull it kind of off. And then there's an electronic ballast in here, and then you've got your mounting screws. There's probably mounting screws on there, because see, I don't see any on this whole light fixture. They're probably up above this. Okay? And granted, this is a concrete ceiling. You don't usually have that either. This is kind of like a vault area. But anyways, I'll look at that some other time. I'm mainly getting this ready for the painter. I told him I'd take these cover plates off. See how the back side of this has the lip like that, and that helps hold it on there. And this one is a little different. See how flexible it is? That's why I just kind of pooched on it, slid it over a little bit, and it came right off that clip.